Okay. Hello, everyone. This is my daughter Violet, and this is Madeline. I'm doing my project on um, what is the benefit of teaching children how to forage from a young age, um, and how can that help to produce more environmentally conscious and responsible adults in our societies. So here is a really nice quote from Arthur Haynes, who he is a really well-known botanist in the Maine area and ecologist, and he's got some really great material on his website. But it says plants have been and continue to be immensely important to people. They provide food, medicine, materials for shelter, fuel for heating dwellings and cooking food, fibers for cordage and clothing, wood for tools and hunting weapons, etc. Aboriginal people knew which plants could be used for various purposes, where to find them, and how to process them. And they possessed an intimate relationship with plants that began with learning how to identify them and deepened as they learned their smell, taste, the quality of the fibers, the timing of their flowers, and so on. So foraging is the act of collecting and searching for wild plants or mushrooms or seeds and nuts that are edible or useful in other ways, like crafting, building, or making medicine. So the concept of whether or not teaching this activity to children from a young age and continuing to utilize it throughout their lives in their school ages, that concept is just interesting to me because I think that it will help deepen our connections as humans, a connection that we've lost because we don't depend on foraging like our ancestors did. So I said here, start them young, teaching children foraging and plant identification at the right developmental stage and also as early as possible so that it makes a deep impact. Adding a nature-based subject to preschool and elementary school as a standard. So that would be preschool is before you're 5 years old, and that would be appropriate because at the ages of 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 are developmentally when children start to sort, collect, categorize, and actively seek answers to questions. Age 3 to 7 is when children start developing memories. So this will also be a time to expose children to the importance of respecting the earth and reminding them of all the beautiful gifts Earth has to offer. And then because, they're at the age where they can remember those things, as adults, they can fall back on those memories to help keep that connection alive. So the benefits of foraging are that being in nature has been proven to reduce stress. It connects us to our ancestors who heavily relied on those skills and practices for survival. It connects us to plant life when we learn to identify and use their medicinal and nutritional benefits. It resets our nervous system to have quiet time in nature with low stimuli and peace. And knowing how to safely medicate or feed ourselves from wild edibles like herbs and plants teaches us self-reliance and can help us survive if we need to rely on that someday. Children need to learn important lessons and practices early on to help form their spiritual, cognitive, and behavioral growth. Children have been... Stop, please. Children have been scientifically observed to collect and gather things at specific developmental stages, and it comes naturally to them. The earlier a child learns self-sufficiency and healthy lifestyles, the better, and it's for their own survival and fitness. So yeah, that's the basic outline of my concept here for my projects. Please excuse Violet crinkling her cookie wrapper. I hope you enjoyed that, and Good luck to everyone on their final projects for this class. Thanks. Take care.